Replacing doors in your home can be a great way to enhance your property's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and increase security. Whether you're swapping out an old, drafty door or upgrading to a more stylish design, it's important to approach the replacement process with care. Unfortunately, many homeowners make a few common mistakes that can cause frustration and lead to costly repairs. Here are 5 mistakes to avoid during door replacement in Salt Lake City. Choosing the wrong door for your climate. Salt Lake City is known for its unique climate, which includes hot summers and snowy, cold winters. This drastic shift in temperature and humidity means you need a door that can handle these environmental factors. A common mistake is choosing a door material that isn't well suited for extreme weather conditions. For example, a wooden door may look beautiful but can warp or swell with changes in humidity and moisture levels. On the other hand, fiberglass or steel doors tend to provide better insulation and resist the weather, keeping your home more comfortable year-round. When replacing your door, always opt for a material that will perform well in Salt Lake's climate, ensuring durability and energy efficiency. Neglecting proper door sizing. The wrong door size is one of the most frustrating mistakes you can make. If your new door is too large or too small, it could lead to improper installation, wasted energy, and issues with functionality. It's essential to carefully measure your current door frame before purchasing a replacement. Most homes in Salt Lake City feature standard door sizes, but it's still crucial to measure the width, height, and depth of the existing frame to ensure a perfect fit. If your home has an older or non-standard frame, it might require custom sizing to accommodate the new door. Working with a professional contractor who understands local construction standards and can measure correctly will save you a lot of headaches down the road. Overlooking proper insulation. One of the biggest reasons to replace a door is to improve your home's energy efficiency. A door that doesn't properly seal can let air in, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. If you don't focus on insulation, you might as well keep the old door. Many homeowners neglect to check the insulation properties of the door they're choosing. Be sure the door comes with good insulation ratings, including an ENERGY STAR certification. You should also consider whether the frame and weather stripping are in good condition to prevent drafts. Having a well-insulated door will help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature and save you money in the long run by reducing your energy bills. DIY installation without proper expertise. While DIY projects can be rewarding, installing a door is one area where you shouldn't cut corners. Many homeowners in Salt Lake City attempt to install their doors themselves, but this often leads to mistakes in alignment, poor insulation, or even damage to the door frame. Proper installation requires specialized knowledge, tools, and experience to ensure everything fits perfectly and functions as it should. To avoid mistakes, consider hiring a professional contractor who can ensure proper installation. A trained expert will have the right tools to remove your old door and install the new one with precision. They'll also be able to identify potential issues, such as structural damage or the need for additional adjustments, that you may not notice. Not considering the aesthetic appeal. it's easy to get caught up in technical aspects like energy efficiency or functionality when replacing a door. However, neglecting the aesthetic appeal of your door can lead to a design that doesn't match your home's style. The door serves as the focal point of your entryway, and it plays a large role in curb appeal. When choosing your new door, think about the style of your home. A sleek, modern door may not be the best choice for a home with traditional features, and vice versa. In Salt Lake City, where architectural styles range from classic to contemporary, it's important to select a door that complements your home's overall look. Consider door color, texture, and hardware when making your decision. Working with an experienced designer can help you choose a door that suits your home's aesthetic while also providing the practical benefits you need. Conclusion: replacing a door in Salt Lake City is an excellent way to upgrade your home, but to ensure the process goes smoothly, it's important to avoid common mistakes. Take time to choose the right material for the climate, measure carefully, consider insulation, hire a professional for installation, and don't overlook the design element. By avoiding these missteps, you can enjoy a functional, stylish, and energy-efficient door that enhances your home for years to come.